everyone, my name is Afreen Rahman. I'm the marketing manager at INSAID, and in today's episode of Direct Talk, I'm going to talk about this great collaboration that INSAID has come up with, and this is going to excite all of you. I'm 100% sure of that. INSAID has recently collaborated with none other than XLRI, one of the top B schools in India. And what is this collaboration all about? Well, we have none other than our CEO and founder, Mr. Manav, in this session today with us. Hi Manav, how are you doing?
Hi Afreen, glad to be here.
Well, welcome to the show, Manav. And we have this, I have actually brought all these questions for you on behalf of all our, viewers here. And the very first question that I have for you is, tell us more about this partnership.
Afreen, super excited to announce that we have partnered with XLRI. XLRI, as the viewers would know, is one of the top 5 business schools in India and has a legacy of creating business leaders in India who have gone on to do amazing things in the business world. So through this partnership, viewers like the one watching this video would be able to not only upskill but be associated with one of the top business schools like XLRI. And as a part of this partnership, the first program that we have launched, Afreen, is a super amazing program that we have put in a lot of effort, and XLRI has built this program with a lot of high quality. And this program, Afreen, I'm happy to announce, is called the Executive Program in Product Management.
Awesome. And what is the duration of the program, Manav? You could throw some light on that.
Yeah, so the duration is 5 months. It's purely online. So any learner watching this video in any part of the world, especially in India, would be able to attend the classes from anywhere. And the best part is while doing their full-time job, without quitting their job. So you are getting to learn from XLRI, get a certification from XLRI without having to quit your full-time job. And that's like an amazing thing.
Exactly. From the comforts of your home, what more do the learners want? Well, with that, let us know this executive program, product management program that we have launched. What is the goal of this program? Who exactly is this meant for?
Yeah. So this is a wonderful question. So this program is designed for anyone who wants to become a product manager or a product leader in India. Yeah. Okay. So it could be like we have people in this program who are CXOs, who are VPs, who are software engineers, who are business owners as well, who are wanting to understand how to build great products. This is for people also who are at the junior level, let's say software engineer, senior software engineer, technical leads, etc., who are wanting to transition into product management. And this is also for product managers who have at least product manager as a designation or senior product manager, who are looking to reskill and upskill themselves so that they can crack world-class product management roles. So essentially what we have designed, how we have designed the program is that it caters to anyone watching the video. And as I mentioned, it caters to people from different professional backgrounds.
So great. So basically career transitioning, reskilling, upskilling. I think it will be really great for people who are on career breaks as well. I think so.
Absolutely.
All right. So why would anyone choose our executive XLRI program, product management program? What are those key USPs about this program, Manav? Let us know.
Yes. So there are 3 big differentiators of this program, Afreen. The first is the depth and breadth of the program. If you pick up the curriculum, you would be able to see the curriculum is divided into 22 modules. And each module, the moment you look at the name in itself, you will get a clarity about what is being covered in the module. That's one. So the depth of the curriculum is there, that we are touching not only just 1 or 2 topics, but from product innovation to product lifecycle to UI UX to product strategy to product analytics to product marketing, everything that is required not only to become a product manager for that matter, Afreen, but a product leader, right, is covered in this program. That's the first thing, that it's deep, and it's broad, both. We have tried to consciously design the program like that. The second part about the program, which is very different, Afreen, is that if this program is taught by both the best of the both worlds, academia and industry experts. So the top XLRI faculty will be teaching in the program, but at the same time, top industry experts will be also teaching in the programs, right? So the goal was to bring the best from a learning standpoint. And the third part about third key differentiator about the program, Afreen, is that this program is very hands-on and practical in nature, and that's why as a learner you will be working on multiple tools all throughout the program. So you get an opportunity to work on 10 plus tools during this entire program, and that's so important because product management, otherwise if it is done theoretically, you will never be able to apply that in real world. And our goal was that when professionals are enrolling in this program, they should walk out of the program like with good tools that they have learned during the program.
So theoretical understanding and practical application. So excellent. I think that is exactly what the learners, especially who want to kickstart their product journeys, will be looking for. Well, this all sounds awesome, but towards the end, everybody looks for their benefits. So does this program come with any sort of career assistance, Manav?
Absolutely. So one of the key points, Afreen, we have tried to introduce in this program is at the end of the program, you have career assistance. So as part of career assistance, there are going to be 8 specific sessions which will focus on how to transition into your dream product role. So these sessions would be focused on different areas like how to build a great product management resume, how to package yourself, how to identify the right product management opportunities, right, based on your experience. So the goal is that whatever help you require now after doing the program to transition to your dream product role, you'll be getting that help. Apart from that, Afreen, can I give 2 bonus points that user will really feel excited about? We have tried to introduce in this program.
Why not?
Yeah.
Yes, sure.
The first is that this program brings something called BYOP, bring your own product. So in this program, the users will be able to, or learners will be able to bring their own product, build a product. Yeah. Think about a product and build your own product, and they will be able to build that product in the program. So the goal is that whatever you are learning in the program, at the end of the program, if you're not actually building a product, right, you are not actually a product manager or product leader. So you'll have this amazing option in the program. And the last bit is that this program also comes with a product teardown. The goal of the product teardown is that as product manager, you should be not only good at coming up with new ideas, but looking at what are the top products and what are they doing. So students will get to participate in a challenge called a product teardown challenge, wherein they will be picking one of the top 5 apps from Android and iOS store, and they will be competing and dissecting those apps, the goods, the bads, and the improvement points in those apps.
I think this is very interesting. So not only do you get to build a product, you get to tear it down. So I think come down to the very first basic principles and understand different levels of it, which is totally awesome. And I'm sure this will really, really excite all the learners. And this is a great USP that you have just highlighted towards the very end, Manav. Yeah. Thank you so much for doing that. Well, to all our learners and all our viewers here, I'm sure this will get you very excited. If you're from any of these categories that Manav has mentioned, that you're looking to kickstart your product journeys, you are on a career break, or you are a product manager looking to upskill and reskill, this is the opportunity and this is the program for you. Well, all the program details, the link has been mentioned in the description below. Please feel free to go and check out the link, check out the program details. If you have any questions, mention it in the comment below. We will definitely reach out to you and answer all your queries. For all the information in the video, thank you so much, Manav, for being present in today's episode and giving us these lovely insights. I'm sure we'll be coming back ahead. All you have to do is click on the bell icon, click on the like sign, subscribe for the channel so that every time there is a new video out, you're the first one to get notified. Thank you so much for being part of this episode.